Hello friends, I'm Aniket. Welcome to Tasting Trails. Today we would see the recipe of dosa batter. So let's see the ingredients required to prepare dosa batter and also the procedure to prepare dosa batter. The ingredients for dosa is I have taken around 6 cups of regular rice. This is the ration ka chawal or the regular dosa rice which you use. Around 3/4 cup of urad dal. So this is urad dal. Around 2 tablespoon of 1 to 2 tablespoon of methi seeds. I prefer using 2 tablespoon. You get good brown color, golden brown color by adding when you add methi seeds to the dosa. And around half a cup of poha. Again, adding poha makes your dosa super soft and crisp. I have washed all the ingredients, that is rice, methi, poha and urad dal thoroughly to get rid of the mud and adulterative substances. So you could see I have soaked them and I have added poha and rice in a single vessel to soak it. We will soak till 3 to 4 hours. And urad dal, I have separately soaked all the ingredient, that is methi, urad dal and rice, so it would be easy for us to grind. And never mix all the ingredients at once and soak, because every ingredient takes different time to get soaked. I have grinded all the ingredients. So a tip for you: first grind the methi seeds and then the urad dal with the methi seeds. After you feel that methi seeds have been crushed, and then you would add the urad dal and grind it to a smooth paste with very less amount of water. And again separately blend the rice to form a paste and have mixed all the ingredients to form a paste. So I would leave it overnight. For fermentation, and then for 8 to 10 hours. As you can see, the dosa batter has been fermented well. I have added some salt, and now we would mix this. So you can see how aeration the batter has gained due to good fermentation. When you ferment the batter very well, you get good dosa. And one more tip: you have to keep the dosa batter in warm and damp place, so you can get good aeration. Either you can keep it in a cupboard, or if you live in very cold place, then preheat the oven and then switch off the oven and keep the batter overnight. So now we would prepare dosa from the batter. I have taken a non-stick pan. You can take your regular iron pan or any tawa, and I have on the low flame I would pour a ladle full of batter and just round the batter very well. This thing comes after several years of practice, uh, and we would keep the dosa on low flame for around a minute, and we would cover it with the lid and wait till it gets cooked. If you feel that the tawa is being oily, then you have to sprinkle some water and remove the oiliness from the tawa. And now on the low flame, tawa is on low flame, pour a ladle full of batter and just round the batter. And now, as you can see, the batter has dried. Now we will turn the flame to high and wait till the sides of the dosa starts to leave. Slowly the sides have started to come out, so I'm applying some ghee to the dosa. I prefer applying ghee all the time. And now you can again see the sides have started to turn golden brown, and we will scrape off the dosa from the tawa and serve it. So this process was repeated for you. So our dosa is ready to eat. Hope this session was useful for you. So don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you would be notified as soon as I upload a new video, and like, share and comment on my video. Thank you for watching Tasting Trails.